Okay, so good day. So, this will be the report for last week. So the report should supposed to be last week, but there are lots of bugs that needs to be fixing, especially on the front end part of our application. But good thing that we already fixed some of it. So we have fixed the major bugs concerns that I have seen on our application on the first phase of our application, and then good thing that we have already fixed it. So though there are bugs, still bugs on it, but it's a minor bugs that needs fixing. So anyway, I will explain first the back end part, and then after that I will explain the front end part. So okay, let's look at our database first. So this one. So this is our database. Last time when I reported, it was just, I think that was just eight. There were eight models for that part. So right now we have additional models and schemas for our database. So for now we have added the product tags, the media, the reviews, the tags. This one, recently viewed products, session, shop address. So on the back end part, we have already um, established this one. So since the backend developer had already made the entity relation board for this one, so and I have give it a go and make some minor adjustment and give it a go to um, start the coding for the entities. So these are the, I think this is more than half of the schemas that we should be having on our shop. So this one we have for the products, and then the shop address, the shop followers, tags, users, and users address. So yeah, let's go to indexes, and here are the I think this is the, we have here the public schemas. Yes, yeah. Okay, so yep, shop followers. Okay, so um, our back end part is almost done on the. It's 90% done on the on our authentication, and then we are already moving to our products. So we have mapped all the products here, and we already have here yes, the session. This is for the authentication, and then shop address, shop name, shop follower, and then the products. So then for the next few weeks, I think this gonna take a couple of weeks to do this, is the payment. Okay. So what's lacking here is just the front end part. So everything here from our products, we have already have this one. So the hard part from here now is the merging of the products. So I think it's gonna take a month, more than a month to do that. But of course, I will still give you a weekly update for this. So whatever is happening for every week, so I will give you an update for that. Okay, so yeah, the backend developer is already working on the payment method, and this one for the products and categories and the carts. We still don't have the front end yet. The front end developer is still developing it. So yes, I think we already have that one. Okay, so for our SMS OTP, so the main reason why it did not it's not functional for at this moment, because let me see. Okay, so I think the problem here was, okay, yeah, the Twilio account was, It's a trial account. So that will you account is it cannot send to any number because it is just a um, trial account. So once it is already paid and we have already subscribed to it, then it can send to any number. So that's the reason why it's not yet working. So anyway, we don't have to subscribe it now because on the later part we can subscribe and then later on integrate the SMS authentication. So we can just skip that one, backlog that first, and then we will get back on that. Uh, o- o- uh, all of the part where we need subscription, we will just have to backlog it so that we will not waste um, money on going to subscription on the early phase of our development because it's not practical if we do that. So that's it for the SMS authentication. Okay, so now let's go to our front end part. Okay, so this is the deployed version. So you just have to type in www.terramartz.versal.app. Okay. So I'm using this account because it's not yet signed in on the terramartz account. So same as usual, nothing's new here. Um, yeah, it's already responsive, so it's mobile responsive. We can, yep, it's already mobile responsive. So this is the mobile responsiveness of that. So it's good. It's already mobile responsive. So the front end developer had already done the mobile responsiveness. So that's the problem that we we were tackling because uh, she was not doing the responsiveness of the of our app. So I told her that to do the responsiveness every time that a UI for our web screen or large screen is done because that's not very practical to do to put the responsiveness on the later part because it will destroy our codes or you have to do a lot of modification on our codes if you do the responsiveness on the later part. So yeah, so for now yeah, he has she has done a good thing on the responsiveness. It's already working. So let's go to sign up and then Q source this one at gmail.com. So let's do that. Let's create an account for Q source this one. Okay, gmail.com and then 8 um, characters. Remember me and then create account. Okay, so let's see if I, okay, 8312. So that's 8312. So we also have a lot of bugs to needed to be fixed here because last time when you input the wrong email address, the user is stuck into this page because there is no home page and there is no closing page for this one. So right now we already have this one, the closing, the X and the home page. So every time a user might mistakenly input the wrong email address, so the user can navigate back to where he or she wanted to go. So let's confirm this one. Okay, so we already have the profile. Okay, the profile page. So for now, we just put here some just for details. This is just for details. This is not yet connected to the database. So this one is just for aesthetic purposes. Later on, this will be connected to to our back end part, and then yes, we will put the designs, the products. One, because we already have the back end for this, and then the only thing needed is to merge the front end and the front end to the back end that Miss Nestle have made. So for now, this is already working. The submenus are already working. So yeah, you can navigate to this submenus here, and then the submenu also have submenus for the checkout. So this one, here we are. So the front-end developer will be working on the product categories this week until I think for the whole month. She will be doing that one because that's the hard part, the products and categories page, and then after that will be the carts page. But don't worry, I will still give an update on this module that she will be doing for this next month, or for this next target that you will be doing. Okay, so let's see how many time I have. So I still have time. Okay, so I think I've shown you this one also. So we have this is what I have designed also. Okay, I think that's it for now. Did I forget to? We still cannot check out because that's on the later part of our. So expect for the next week there will be some progress on this one. We will be expecting to have details for that to ship, to receive, and to rate. And then we will be doing the categories page next. Okay, so that's our next target for the next month. Okay, so if you have any questions, suggestions, just feel free to contact me or chat me in the inbox. Okay, so see you on Friday. Okay. Have a good day.